Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a house tour because we actually do have a new family roleplay house. So I am just going to show you. If you haven't seen the last house tour, I will link the video in the description. Also, I might be talking about the roleplay characters, so you might want to go watch the video where I tell you who the characters are. I'll also link that in the description. So let's get started. Okay, so I think the first thing that you see when you actually go into the house is, well, the house, but the garage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this door, which leads to the garage by the car. So one thing I would do if I had to rebuild this house was I would probably make a door that led to the garage from here, because every night we have to, if we want to, or like a trip, if we want to go turn the power off or something, then we've got to or do the laundry we've got to go all the way from here. But it's not that big of a walk, so it's not that hard. But here's a little laundry area, because we didn't have room for it in the actual house. And a lot of people do have that in like real life. And this is the garage door. We have this little road that we made. And this is Sky's skateboard. Sky uses it more, but I guess Winter could use it if she wanted to, but I hasn't bought it, so I don't care which kid uses it. And then this is our minivan. So usually what I have is either Sky or no one sit in the front seat with me, and then either Sky and Winter, or Winter and Rocky in the back. And if it's Sky and Rocky over like here, then it's over here. Then it's Rocky back there. So, and then if it's Sky here, then it's Rocky and Winter over there. So sorry if that's confusing to you, but let's just get started with the actual house. This is a little path, and we've got trees. Might do more remodeling sometime. And so let's just get on with this, I guess. I think the power is actually off right now. Maybe it's not. Let me turn it on if it's off. Oh yeah, okay, power is off. Okay, and now it's on. So here is the kitchen, which it's pretty small right now. We might add more to it, but here's a fridge, some just counter space, and an oven with a hood, and then there's a little sink where you can, wash your hands, get water, wash dishes, etc. And then there's a phone, an old-fashioned phone, and a candy bowl, and a little island where you can sit down. I guess it's not exactly an island since it's connected to the counters, but just a little space where the kids can sit down. And then plates, spatulas, spoons, and some flowers. This is the dining room, and we have a quote that says, "You're going to be okay." And you get these pictures from searching BOHO. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I think it's boho. So, and then there's seats for like guests too, and then this would be Rocky's seat, because she is a baby. And then usually I have like the Winter and Sky just choose where they want to sit, and I'll just sit anywhere else. But then this is the bathroom. I have a quote that says, "Life is better in pajamas." I don't know if that's like an inspiring quote, but it's just a silly quote. And then there's toilet, sink, mirror, and a shower and bath mat. We have a bathtub upstairs, so we just have the shower downstairs. And this is the living room with a little carpet and a little coffee table and a chair and a couch and some lights and a TV and fireplace. And then in the cabinets we have books. And these are also pictures you can get from searching boho, B-O HO. So this is life is tough, but so are you. I think that's pretty inspiring, if I do say so myself. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the upstairs now, which is the Game Pass part. So this quote says, "Be nice or leave," and I think that's very inspiring. That I want my kids to know. And then if you walk here, I am not like. I'm definitely gonna get a baby gate because this and Rocky, I'm so scared for. So we all have to watch her at all times if she's upstairs. Because we don't want her falling. So I'm definitely gonna add a baby gate soon. So this, when it was just me and Sky and Winter, you're fine though. This is my bedroom. Oh god, I forgot to color this. That's okay. So alarm clock and books I've just been reading recently, and then a vanity mirror if I want to like look at myself, I guess, and then a little plant and a dresser and a double bed. With a lot of windows in here, but that's okay. And then this is the bathroom. We have a little baby toilet, and this is kind of like green themed, and a toilet, sink mirror, towel for you to wipe off your hands, and then this says soak, relax, enjoy, and this says as clear as soap. And then as I said before, we don't have a shower up here, but we have one downstairs, and we don't have a bathtub downstairs, but we have one up here. So this toilet is obviously for Rocky, but that's okay. And then this room is Rocky's room. She actually doesn't have this many clothes, but we use the dresser just to add space. And then to take up space, I mean. And then there's a mirror. She doesn't really look at herself, but I don't know. There's a little table. I can't actually sit down it because I'm an adult, but that's okay. And then a little bear and rattle light. And most of her toys are like in her dresser because that's what's in this side, and clothes are on this side. So we have a crib and an R for Rocky and little lights because I read in an article that online that babies sleep better if like most lights are off, but they have like little fairy lights or something like that just on, just so that they know they're comfortable. And then a changing table. And this is Winter and Sky's room, and it's pretty cramped, but I don't know. I think they love it, so it's okay. So we got them bunk beds because that's what fits here. And they also love having bunk beds because they say it's like a sleepover every night. I don't know if that's what I say. They say, but I think they like it, and they've told me they like it before. So these are the stars that they actually picked out together. I went to IKEA, and I said they could pick out anything for their room, and they chose these stars. So I'm on board with that. And then there's this little light up here, kind of like a night light, but not exactly. And then their iPads. This is Sky's, and this is Winter's. And then this is a plant, books, a little mirror, not too big because they don't really need a mirror. Because they can look at themselves in the mirror, in the camera, I guess. And then this is a plant, as you can see. And then they have windows because I think there's windows in every room in this house. I think so, except for like the bathrooms and stuff. Because no one wants to. Well, I guess there's a window. Wow, maybe we'll delete that. There's a lot of windows in there. But I think that's it. Sorry. I think that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy what's coming soon for roleplay. Sorry, we've been talking about like doing all these roleplays for like so long, but we haven't actually got the chance to start. So I hope that we get the chance to start very soon, and I will see you all next time. So bye.